be right up here sleeping beside you tonight, little buddy. If you need anything, you just come and knock on the tent.
Only in West Virginia.
I was just informed by the snowshoe police that we're not allowed to fly drones here. Welcome back, adventure seekers. Today's adventure is going to take us back to West Virginia to the Monongahela National Forest. There we're going to run all 3 loops, hopefully, of the I.M.A.T. We have about 3 days to get this done. Just checking in, and we will see you out there on the trail. Well, we made it to the Monongahela National Forest. We're still about 20 minutes away from where I'm going to start looking for a camp, but first time saw the sign, had to stop and have a look. We are deep in the heart of Monongahela, and wasn't planning on going this way to look for a campsite, but I mean, come on, this looks pretty cool. It's like saying you need to cross this concrete bridge. There's a good camping site. So after a really long straight down the highway ride to get here in about 6 hours, this is where you do that mental reset. Ooh, what do we got here? I'm still just climbing the mountain. Oh, there's a nice water place. Oh yeah. Okay, well, this would work. Because I could get off the road where it dead ends, but I don't know, it's just not tickling my fancy. I want to leave my tent set up for all 3 nights and just use it as like a home base, so it'd be cool if I could get it somewhere where you can't see it. Well, we are way up on top of McGowan Mountain, or McGowan, and man, I want to find a spot here. We're just about 3,600 feet. I can tell there's a big old view on the right side if there's ever an opening. And I am just hoping that a spot appears out of nowhere. Deer. What do we got here? Uh-oh, I see a sign. Ooh, I'm not sure I could even get in here. The Jeeps have been up here having a fun time. Just a reminder, camping in the National Forest is restricted 14 days at a time. This looks like the spot. Well, we made it to camp and we're all set up. I got the fire going real nice. Somebody left me a bunch of firewood, a sweet fire ring. Where my tent's set up is already all cleared out. It's just awesome. Couldn't ask for anything better. I'm so glad I took the extra hour to search because I'm going to be here for 3 nights. Yeah, it's going to be a great weekend. I'm so excited to check this IMAT out, and I'm going to get up early and get started. Yeah, we'll see you out on the trail, if not sooner. Special treat, I guess, I hope. I was just out scavenging for some firewood, and I about stepped on this little critter, and it kind of scared me a little bit. I hope he's okay. I think he's just resting, but have a look.
Hi, little buddy. I hope you're just sleeping. I'll be right up here sleeping beside you tonight, little buddy. If you need anything, you just come and knock on the tent.
Well, here we are, getting our normal 5 a.m. start. Looking forward to the day. Got our water started for our coffee. We got the coffee apparatus assembled, and we're going to get a nice early start today. Father's Day 2023, day 1 on the I.M.A.T. All right, we are off day 1, route day 1, I think they call it, of the I.M.A.T. But we're out on Father's Day 2023, camping at McGowan Mountain. Beautiful spot. I camped with a little fawn all night. Still fog over the mountainside. We're at about 4,000 feet elevation. We've entered the fog region. Man, this road is so killer. Of course, I wasn't recording back there, but there was a spot where some trees fell, and they just kind of like cut this maze through it. I would have recorded it, or I would have turned around and went back, but I just couldn't get turned around. But yeah, I'll put down below what road this is, but if this, I think it's a seasonal road. They don't keep it open year round, but in the summertime, this thing is killer. So we are turning on to the purple, which is what they call day 1 of the I.M.A.T. We are back on the gravel, headed south. Canton Bridge Builders, Canton, Ohio. This doesn't look like it goes anywhere.
Right around 4,500 feet elevation. We got to 46 back there, but we're close to it, and now we're heading down a little bit. I wasn't aware that these mountains were that tall.
Hey everybody, we are having a blast. I just wanted to let you know about Forest Road 235 and the Monongahela National Forest. It's my favorite road I've been on in West Virginia so far. It's long, it's fast if you want to get fast, and I mean, you get way up to about 5,000 feet elevation. Back down, I haven't seen another vehicle on this entire stretch. I've been on this road for half an hour and I'm still going, and I'm getting into some good switchbacks, and the fog is starting to lift. You probably can't see it yet because cameras do weird things to the light, but here pretty soon we're gonna have some real good views out over the mountains. So I'm gonna grab a snack and continue on, and I could use a little bit of coffee. I think it's still pretty early, about 10 o'clock in the morning. I've got about 80-90 miles in, and we'll see you back out there on the trail.